Alright, so this is the very first program that started all of this. Created this from scratch for my old country club where I used to work back in 2013. Kept it very basic here. The UPC, you can just scan it, as any other program. Inventory pops up right here. It tells you where everything is, asks you how many you're adding. Here I'm adding a button to where you can select new locations. So you have a little bit of customizability. Now we got remove inventory, same concept. Scan the barcode, it tells you where the wine is. Very basic. Again, pretty much speaks for itself. I do have a couple of prompts that pop up like that to save management from making mistakes. Maybe if they pull a bottle that's too expensive or something like that, a warning will pop up. Here we can transfer. Again, you'll have the option to add locations or remove locations. Pretty simple. Now, if we're adding a new wine that's not in the inventory at all, again, you would scan the barcode. I've also added an option to where it can assign a random barcode in case a wine does not come with one. And all of these, types, things like that, will have an option to add whatever field that is. So if you have a new type that wasn't in there, you can just add, Rome. I mean, that's probably, it comes on there already, but if you have to add something else, the point is that it's just pretty much simply customizable. Now, if we go to the show wines, I kept this as clean as possible. This is customizable in the sense that if you are a restaurant or a country club, you'll want cost, selling price, things like that. If you're a private homeowner, you're not going to need that. So I'll have two versions, and you can just kind of customize which one that you need. That way you're not dealing with anything that you don't need. Going back to this, you can just sort everything, easily searchable by any variable. Pretty easy. And I've got custom reports. If somebody wants to data a certain way, I can do that. But again, the main thing here is that you can search by any variable. So if you remember a wine, but don't necessarily know the entire name or how to spell it, it'll still pull it up.